Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove watermark on CapCut PC. Super simple, just copy and paste your video, go to the effects section and find blur and just drag it into the video. Not on top because you'll want to just place it on that second video there. You can adjust how blurry you want it to be. Then you're going to select the second video, go to video, go to mask and select the rectangle or whatever shape suits the watermark here, and just feather it out, but not too much that you'll be able to see the watermark. So maybe 3 is the best. And that's pretty much it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.